Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung Galaxy's S24 Ultra or any of the other One UI 6.1 devices, the S23, the S22, and even the tablets have this. And what I'd like to talk about and discuss is putting apps to sleep so that they don't take up resources and battery life running in the background. Okay, so let's just dig right in here and we'll go to settings. Of course, we're in settings. Then go into battery and then background usage limits. Tap on that, and then here's the section, limit battery use for apps that you don't use often. So this should be quite a few apps in here. There's not going to be a lot of apps that you want in the background constantly running, taking resources and battery life. So in my case, I have 21 deep sleeping apps, 3 sleeping apps, which I guess could probably be in the deep sleeping section. Yeah, I guess they could be, but they're not. So the main difference is we'll just discuss sleeping apps. Sleeping apps will run the background only occasionally, so they'll pop up and then they'll close. Versus versus deep sleeping apps will never come back on, or will never open unless you open them yourself. Okay, so deep sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive updates or notifications. They only work when you open them. Okay, so again, I recommend a lot of them. You know, you don't want your Messenger app, that's an example. You don't want your phone app, that's an example, because you want those always in the background, waiting for a text, waiting for a call. If it's going to be an app, and only you can really decide, if you're waiting for an app to give you a notification on, that's not going to be an app that you're going to want to put in the deep sleep section. Maybe the sleep section, or never auto sleep. So have like WhatsApp in that, which I really suppose I could put even that one there, but I don't use it that often. So, but anything that's a never auto sleep, like again, like your messages, your phone app, stuff like that. Okay, so that's my video on deep sleeping apps and how to use them. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video. And until next time, I'm out.